Okay, here we go. We're going to get started with our Stixy graphic organizer. At this point, everybody's made a username and password for their group, and we're going to create a graphic organizer using the post-its on Stixy.com. All right, think of it as a bulletin board for post-its, and that's exactly what we're going to put on. This is our bulletin board, and all we're going to do is take our post-its from down here. Now, if you look on the bottom, you see Note, Photo, Document, and To Do. We don't need to know about To Do and Document for this purpose, but for today, we're going to focus on Note and Photo. So what I want everyone to do right now is click Note and drag it up. Once that first note is there, you can see a whole thing of options on the side, all different colors, all different fonts, the ways to make it interesting for your eyes. So what I want everyone to do is type in characteristics and adaptations. You can then take the corner and make the post-it big, long, small, wide, short, but make sure that it looks good enough so that you can read all of the words. Now, if you want to change your font, if you highlight it, you can choose all the different font names over on the side. Make sure that it's easy for you to read. If you also want to choose a different color for your post-it, click down here where it says background color. You're going to do the same thing 2 more times for your other features. Habitat and prey predator. Again, make them all look the same. We don't want anything too different. Try to make the post-it the same color as well. And this, I'll tell you the reason why for that as we get further on in the project. You can also center your words. If you highlight, go to Text Align and press Center, and it goes right into the middle of the post-it. Now, sometimes it's already checked center, and when you click on it, it doesn't move. If that's the case, choose a new option and go right back. Make sure those words are centered right in the middle, so that way we know. Okay, now that we're ready to go with this part, what we're going to do is we're going to add another section to let us know what we're going to be working on. Now you have a choice. You can use the post-it notes and write the word in, or we can use photos. I'll show you both options. You could take a post-it note, make it nice and small again, and type in the first animal, and that would be lion. You could do this again 2 more times for tigers and leopards. That's another way of doing it. If you really want to, we could do it this way, and I'll show you how we can use pictures. You have to have pictures ready to go on your laptop on the desktop. So if we have that ready, you can drag a photo for 3 of your animals. When it says to add photo, you choose a file and a drop-down list will come up. Right now, this is on my desktop, so I will choose lions and add my photo. Once this is done 2 more times, you can have it ready to go for lions, tigers, and leopards. As you can see, I went ahead and finished the other pictures. Now it's your choice. You can easily choose pictures or to make it look good, or you can use the post-its and just write the words lion, tigers, and leopards, whatever is easier and more convenient for you. The most important part is the information that's going to go in this graphic organizer. You're going to take post-it notes for each animal. So here's 3 for the lion: characteristics, habitat, prey, and predators. This will represent the lion. If I scroll down, I will put another 3 for the tiger. Again, if you want, you can keep the same color it is, or if you want to decorate it some more, add a little bit of color. I like to add a little bit of color, that way I know that this one's for lions, this one's for tigers. And lastly, for the leopard. Once this is all set, you're ready to type. You're ready to give us the information that you have for your graphic organizer. So for example, lion characteristics and adaptation. When in my research packet, I knew that they were the second largest African cat. That's one topic I can add. If you want, you could make this into a bulleted list. All you're doing is adding information you want to put into your final project. Okay? Male lions have manes. It's up to you what you want to put into your graphic organizer, as long as you have information that you would like to share for your final project. The more information you have, the better. If you need help, ask an adult in the room that will help you with this. For teachers, if you want to already create the graphic organizer for your students, you can. This may help them a little bit more. But for those teachers who want to challenge their students, this is a great way to really enhance their technology skills. Now you're ready to go and get started on your graphic organizer. Good luck!